Here is how to make assorted meat pepper soup the Nigerian way. This assorted meat pepper soup is perfect for cold weather. It is the type that hits your chest, clears your nose, and makes you feel really cozy and warm. If you really want to enjoy your assorted meat pepper soup, make sure to start with clean beef tripe. Go ahead and wash your shaki, intestines, liver, and the honeycomb, and then rinse them in clean water thoroughly. I have a detailed video on how to clean your beef tripe on my channel. The video will pop up right now as you're watching this on the top right hand. Once you're done cleaning your beef tripe, next is to prep them. All you need to do is to cut everything into bite-sized pieces so they can cook evenly and ready at the same time. Once you're done cutting the meat, transfer into a pot and set aside. Moving on, we have to prepare the local pepper soup spices. Here I'll be using uda, calabash nutmeg, black pepper, and uziza seeds. Bring all of these spices into your grinder and grind them into a smooth consistency. Once you're done grinding these, you can go ahead and sieve so you get a really smooth consistency. Now let's prepare the pepper soup right away. Season your assorted meat with minced garlic, grated ginger, beef stock cubes, curry powder for a pop of color, some store-bought pepper soup seasoning, salt, crushed scotch bonnet, and lastly some chopped onions. After that, add enough water to cover the meat. Stir this around just to make sure everything is nicely combined. Then put a lid over and bring to a boil on low heat for an hour. After cooking your assorted meat for an hour, you can come back to it to check. At this point, the meat is about 70% done. Now you want to add your local pepper soup spice you just prepared earlier. Add more beef stock cube, pepper and onion mix. Stir this to combine together. Cover the meat again and simmer for 30 minutes until the meat is properly cooked and tender. Now this is the time to test for doneness. Once you're happy with the taste and the level of tenderness, bring in your fresh scent leaves. Scent leaves is what gives your assorted meat pepper soup its final aroma and fresh taste. Just make sure you don't add too much, a little will go a long way. Give this a stir and cook for 2 more minutes. And here it is, your pepper soup is well cooked. You can turn off your heat. Guys, this assorted meat pepper soup turned out really flavorful, slightly spicy, and so tasty, just the way you will like it. What are you waiting for? Go into the kitchen and make this for yourself. You deserve this. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Until next time, have a blessed day and bye!